Hey y'all, it's Andrew at the North Regional Library, and welcome to a holiday edition of Snack Attack. Today we'll be making a peppermint mug cake. It's a simple recipe and only requires a few ingredients. So let's go ahead and get started. First you'll need a mug, a measuring tablespoon, 1/4 teaspoon, a fork or whisk. You'll need a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, either semi-sweet or milk chocolate, 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of milk, a 1/2 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. You'll also need a candy cane or a couple peppermints for the peppermint flavor. Okay, the first thing you want to do is take your mug, put in your 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, then we'll measure 3 tablespoons of milk, 1, 2, 3, and we'll go ahead and add the broken up candy cane. Oops, get in there. Okay, then we're gonna take the mug with the chocolate chips, milk, and candy cane, and we're gonna microwave that for about 40 seconds. All right, sounds like it's ready. Take it out. Okay, and what you wanna do is take your fork and stir the mixture. The chocolate should be fully melted, and the candy pieces just partially melted is probably okay. All right, looks good. Once we have that, we will add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, one 1/2 tablespoon of vegetable oil, go. And then we'll add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, one, 2, all right, 3. And then we'll take our fork and we have to mix it up good. So you want to make sure that there's no lumps in it, that it's a smooth batter. The only lumps might be the peppermint chips in there. All right, that looks pretty good. Let's see. All right. Okay, once your batter is smooth, we're going to go ahead and place it in the microwave again for 1 minute. Woohoo! It sounds like it's ready. All right, we'll go ahead and take it out, being very careful. The top should look and feel dry, and it does. The only negative part is we're going to have to wait a couple minutes to eat it because it's really hot. You have options to put either whipped cream, which I like, and a candy cane. And then you can just go ahead and dig in. Just be careful not to burn yourself, it's hot. All right, enjoy guys, and happy holidays.